To make a Google site, you begin by clicking on the Google waffle and choosing the Sites icon, or you can go to sites.google.com. Once you're here, there's a template gallery that you can use. If you don't see anything, make sure you're not in the Gadsden Independent School District template because there are no templates there. But under General, there's templates for education, personal, work, small business, and more. Since we are kind of doing a portfolio, I'm just going to go ahead and click on that student portfolio, and that will create a site for me. The first thing you want to do once you have your site is name it. So this is going to be Leslie's ELA 2 project. And as you can see, to modify the text, you just click it and then type in whatever you would like there to be. Google Sites is very easy to modify. So you can change the image by uploading or selecting an image that's already a part of Google. So if you see an image you like, you just click that, select it, and it will automatically change that for you. If there are elements that you do not want in the template, like let's say these achievements, strengths, and goals, I can actually delete the whole section by clicking that trash button there. And you can modify as needed throughout this process. Once you've added your book title, I think we're ready to click that publish button. The first time you do that, it will give you a web address. If you would like to change that, you can, or you can leave it as suggested. The next thing you'll notice is who can view my site. So our settings automatically say anyone at the Gadsden Independent School District can view, but I can manage that by making sure that anyone with the link, it can be public, or I can keep it just for the school. I click done and that is saved. Once you're ready, you click publish, and now our website is viewable. So I can click that view button and I can see exactly what everyone else will see when they visit my site. If you ever want to edit from here, there's a little pencil that says edit this page, and that will take you back. Now you notice that we do have a few pages, and you can see under classes, there's a couple, and there's activities. I also have this menu on the right side, so I can click on pages. And if I don't want classes, I can actually delete this page, and I can delete the nested pages. So I can just start fresh with a page that I would like to use, so I don't have to go through this process of deleting sections and things that I don't really need. Now I do need a blog page. So I can click the plus button, say blog, and then click done. And now my blog page is ready. If you are creating a page for each week, you would type in the name of the week, possibly the date, and then you can click done. If you want to nest the page, you drag it into the page where you would like it to be nested. So here we have blog week 1. Again, you would click the plus button for the new page. I'm going to do week 2 now. Click done, and I need to drag it into blog so it will nest neatly. Now, if you are in week 1, you'll notice that there's nothing here. If I go to the insert menu, I can insert a text box, images, or something from Google Drive. There's also suggested content blocks, which is what we saw on our home page, and other options on the bottom. For our purposes right now, we're clicking the text box, and we are saying week 1, February 1st, and adding your blog here. You can modify the text by selecting it and choosing the title, heading, subheading. You can change the font style over here and size and so on and so forth. It should look familiar to you. And again, once you're done with this, just make sure you hit that publish button. It will always show you the draft, and when you're ready, you can click publish. If we missed that view button, you can click on the tiny triangle here to view your published site. And here I see my home button, and I see week 1 with my title and week 2. I hope this video has been helpful for you in getting started with Google Sites.